Hi everyone, so today is going to be bottling day, and before we do the bottling we have to prepare all the bottles. I have all the bottles imported from Europe, and we have to break them open. We're going to wash them, pre-rinse them, and sanitize them, and this is the process. So they all come in from the factory. I put them in these stacks like so. We're washing about 400 bottles today in this batch. This is old vine Primitivo from 2022. So I stack them like this. And I have a one case. So this is one case, and I have a rinser. And if you want to come in here a little bit, if I turn this on, you'll see the jets. So that's what's going to go into the bottles. So I put this over those jets, and I got the foot switch, and now they're rinsing. This is the rinse phase. So I just do a quick wash, get all the dust out essentially. This is not a sanitizing step. Okay, so then I do that. Take it off, let it drip dry. So now we're sanitizing the bottles with a Star Sand solution. And those will drip dry. And once they're dry and done, we come over here and we stack them up. And this is what we've done so far. We have about, I don't know, this is about 29 cases. We're going to do about 29 cases of this wine. So this will be just for here tomorrow, and then I'm going to rack. Here's the wine we're going to be bottling. It's in this tank here. And so we'll put it through the bottling unit, and we'll do this one at a time, and then the next day we'll label them and put hoods on them, and they'll be ready for boxing up into the cases.